Hi, today we are going to use RAM Resource Updating Manager for the very first time. We start Quest Migration Manager and we go and find the task Resource Updating Manager. When we start this tool for the first time, we need to specify the credentials, but first we will create a couple of collections. We don't absolutely need to create them, but I want to show you how to set the credentials in RAM. Once we have created a collection, we can go and specify the credentials. We will specify the domain, the user account from the same domain, and the password. Now we will go and check the credentials on another collection. As you can see, we don't have any credentials here. This means it is really important to highlight the root level and go and set the credentials. Then the credentials will apply to all the collections, even to the new ones which we will create later. We will specify two sets of credentials for each domain. In this case we have a source domain and a target domain. This means we need two sets of credentials. The accounts we are going to use, they need to be originating from the same domain. For the source domain we use an account which has been created in the source domain, and for the target an account from target domain. We cannot use an account from a root or from a child domain. The account should be from the same domain. In the past we could use accounts, one single account, but now we cannot use one single account anymore. We absolutely need different accounts, one account for each domain. As you can see, permissions propagated nicely. Now all collections have the same permissions applied. We will go and add one computer. We can test quickly how it works, but first, remember the pop-up. We need to go and restart the controller service. Every time we perform a modification in RAM, we are supposed to stop and start this service. Only then the changes will apply. Why did we add an account from the domain administrators group? Because domain admins always have local admin rights by default on each workstation. And now we are ready to go. Now we can go and start working with our computers. We can discover them, deploy the agents, and that's exactly what we are going to do right now. Discovery is in progress. And now we can see the computer has been discovered successfully. We are good to go. Good luck with your migration.